Hi everyone, today's question was about programming 102.3.6 and I will start with the when mouse down block and repeat while mouse is down. I will put pen down here because when mouse is down, pen will be down, so I will be able to draw the lines. And when mouse is not down, the pen will be up. And on start, I want the bat to follow the mouse pointer and I want it to follow for forever. So let's start. We will be drawing circles around the ghosts and we shouldn't be touching them. Oops, let's be careful. One is gone and this is the other one. Yes. Okay, good luck.